Welcome back to my channel. It's time to get my passion fruit vines back in the house. I actually uppotted these in the summer and they responded with some growth, which you can see there on the left. They were very pot bound, but they were still able to flower. Here's the larger container. This is a 4.5 gallon. I had them in 3, like I mentioned. I was able to get 2 or 3 ripe fruit already, dropped on its own, which is really cool here in New Jersey in this shorter season. And I will be wrapping these vines back around the tomato cages that are in the pots, and they'll go inside my greenhouse indoors, my grow tent. Here is my dragon fruit. This is also going inside. I don't want to risk damaging it from the freezing weather. And my guava, which is holding a few fruit on there as well, is going to go inside. So here's the first vine. As you can see, the leaves are not too happy. It's been dropping to 40s and they were pot bound, but I added some fertilizer. Should be okay inside. Some of the fruit on this plant has pollen from maypop, so potentially there's hybrid seed in the fruit. This is the other vine. Has a few fruit on it, which will finish ripening indoors. These will be coming back outside in the spring. And as always, thank you for watching.